Are you thinking of sailing in Celebrity Beyond's luxurious retreat? This video will give you the chance to see the beautiful different categories you can choose from. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our cruise insights and travel tips. Alright, let's get started. When you're booking a cruise on the magnificent Celebrity Beyond, you're in for a real treat because they offer some of the most luxurious cabins in the industry. And here are some of the benefits you get when sailing in the retreat on Celebrity Beyond. Private dining in Luminae, exclusive sun deck and lounge, premium drinks and premium Wi-Fi included, dedicated concierge and butler service, priority check-in, debarkation, and port tendering, and so much more. I have a link in the description so that you can see exactly all of the amenities you get with this first-class luxury resort at sea. I was fortunate to be able to take a self-guided tour of the retreat section, and let me tell you, I did not want to leave, and I'm pretty sure you will feel the same way. So let me show you what I saw. The Edge Villas are these two-story stunners that are like having your private penthouse on the sea. They come with a spacious living area, an outdoor plunge pool, and these adorable outdoor porches that lead to the retreat sun deck. The iconic suite truly lives up to its name. This two-bedroom suite is the largest suite that has panoramic views from above the bridge that you can enjoy while riding the Peloton bike, a separate living area, and a private hot tub on the balcony. It's just amazing. The Penthouse Suite is yet another stunning two-bedroom suite that offers a separate dining and living space along with lounge seating on the veranda and views from the whirlpool. I was in love with that bathroom. The Royal Suite is a one-bedroom suite that also offers stunning panoramic views as well as ample sitting space both indoors and out. And who wouldn't want to wake up to that sight every morning? And the bathroom is truly luxurious. The Celebrity, Aqua Sky Suite, and Sky Suite are also beautiful one-bedroom or studio spaces that also give you all the amenities of the retreat. Difference though is you get a shared team of butlers instead of a dedicated one. Still amazing. So if you're planning on a cruise or just dreaming of one, be sure to let us know in the comments which cabin category you choose. I also would love for you to join us on Facebook in our community of cruisers. Hope to see you there. And as always, subscribe for more exciting updates and travel adventures. But until next time, happy cruising!